Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean reusable airbrush tattoo stencils super fast and the most efficient way. Okay, let's get started. So what you're going to need is kitchen roll. Always need kitchen roll, whatever you do. A paintbrush. A Tupperware box that you can pick up from any supermarket, household store. As you can see, mine's a bit dirty. You're going to need some gloves. Now I use these vinyl gloves from Gompels. They're really quite a bargain. You've got 100 in there. They come in different sizes. Now always put the gloves on, otherwise you end up with super pink hands that last for days and they look awful. So let's get started. So kitchen roll. Get your surgical spirit. Pour that into your bowl, into your Tupperware box. You want about a centimetre. I usually go up to the line. There's a line here. I usually go to that line. Now if you're doing lots of stencils all in one go, I usually clean about 50 at a time. And what I do is I put them in one by one on top of each other, just like this. Then the next one goes on top, the next one goes on top, the next one goes on top. And I'll keep stacking them up till I've got about 50 stencils in there. Sometimes I might have to add a bit more surgical spirit because they need to be submersed in surgical spirit. So, you can see this. Give them a bit of a swish. Now some stencils, if they've been heavily used, they will need a little bit more soaking. Then get some tissue. Layer that down on your table. And you just brush your stencils, starting with the top one. Brush that side, then turn it over and brush the other side. And you just keep brushing to make sure all that ink is off. Then I'll lay that one on the tissue, go to the next one. Brushing your stencils. So if I had a lot of stencils, some of them were really dirty, I'd have two pots. And I'd put the really dirty ones in the other pot to soak while I was doing these. Put that on there. And you must be careful when you're brushing that you don't break the stencil, because some delicate parts of the stencil could get broken. Now these stencils, I've had this stencil for 10 years. So what an investment that stencil was 10 years ago. So just brush that like that, put it on there. Then I will get more tissue and layer, put that on top of those stencils. Another layer of tissue. And then carry on. Now this stencil was a little bit more dirty than the others. A good brush. Put that on there. So that's all my stencils done. Cover this over. Now when you're doing 50 and you're racking them up, with the tissue layers inside each one, they will dry. And while I would leave them to dry, and then I would fill this pot up with my next 50 stencils. So they could be soaking while I put these ones away. So then you literally take, oh there's a bit of ink left on that one didn't get clean properly. Go back over that one. telltale sign if you've got ink on your tissue. You didn't clean it properly. So there you go, you've got a clean stencil, and then you can put these away one by one. And that's it. Pretty simple guide how to clean lots of stencils in a short space of time, not getting them muddled up because you layer them up in order that you take them out of your, however you keep them. So when you come to put them away, they should go back in order. Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. We're going to have lots of new airbrush tattoo tips and tricks coming your way. Thank you.